Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and this exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Me remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, with local Prime Minister announcing the date for reopening of local bars and things of that nature, viewers and subscribers, and that statement has been met with mixed reviews. Some people are saying not open yet, some people are saying yes, in due time we need it open, now people need to earn a living. But what we are take the opportunity to point out is, with places dubbed as places deemed for public gathering, I will know a bar a whole heap of people gathered there, we can look forward to hearing that visitation is being allowed for inmates, even on a special case basis. And for Vybz Kartel and other co-accused, they would need to meet with lawyers because representation is being sought for them on an international level. Remember, the next phase of the appeal will be in England. And no, Miss Nita and Tom Tavares will not be leaving local soil to go internationally to argue the point internationally. No, that is not the process. The process is you retain legal counsel internationally and you present the facts of the case and you send it to them and them do the rest. So no doubt Vybz Kartel I definitely want to know which attorney a gangly matter. But no, the zombie himself want to know. Mantus and Cairo to everybody would want to know, say alright, is a lawyer with this track record, they're going to hand the case over to. We don't want it hand over to nobody shaky. Some people already have said counsel should have been changed locally. While I would say this, it has always been an uphill battle, and you have friends of friends and friends who are friends of friends. And no doubt, for true, Miss Nita, Mr. Finson, and all the judges, and even the DPP, all went to the same law school. Yeah, it might sound away, but all of them studied law in the Caribbean. And you know, Jamaica, we can boast about that. We are the best, one of the best law schools in the Caribbean diaspora. Don't ask me the name, but we do have it. They can Google it. A facts. You can go Google it. And others can make it up. You can Google it. Jamaica has one of the best law schools. Now, they all went to the same law school though. So some people have pointed to the fact that they could have been biased at any time. I don't know that cell, so I don't know. But in truth and in fact, if you look upon the matter from a different point of view, you know it go. An international court, however, yes, an international court will have no problem granting the artists freedom. Because one, it is always fitting for an international court to show that they have ascended to a level of intellectual reform, even from the law system. Yeah, even in court matters, they have reached that heights where certain precedents, even locally, you have to remember, having someone convicted on cyber evidence, at the first, this has never been done. This has never been done ever. At the first, they never do it. And we have to point out them shift from an actual witness to cyber evidence. Did they not feel like the eyewitness was credibly enough? Because internationally, that would have been scrutinized. They would have asked, what is the benefit for this individual should the teacher be convicted? Well, in truth and in fact, he already called the teacher name. There will be no going back. So, it would have need a conviction, and then would have need to get him off of the island, which they did. But I guess when them look upon the essence of his statement, the fact him change it from when he was initially brought in to where him saying a quote, are two different statements. And no doubt if they bring him before the appeal judges, it would have been 3 different statements. Then nobody bring him. Them nobody make him talk. Because they must say that youth out will sink the ship, you know. Because every time him talk, him give them a different story. Come like a episodes. Episode 1, episode 2. And if they may carry him another time, it will have been episode 3 after the dog bite. I make it up. This seems like a script being written and presented to him, in which he must recite it. Yeah. He must repeat on the beat like a parrot. But feel like that. When you look on the facts of the matter, it can't be proved as anything but such. Good news, however, viewers and subscribers. At this point in time, we just wait for the matter, internationally and locally, worldwide, clear up. You know what I mean? Yeah, we just want this whole thing upon a level so that people can return to, you know, day-to-day activities. Because right now, as I say, even if the documentation is to be documented and sent overseas, at this point in time, the war go on locally, internationally, a challenge is being faced. There is a challenge being faced. So, you know, even if some of the documentation from the judges have not all been copied and sent out, because if the defense get a copy, the prosecution gonna want a copy. You know she move. She gonna want a copy to for herself so she can say, alright, this, that, and the third. So everybody gonna want them copies. Then what Nita Robertson and Mr. Pinson know about the case has to be documented as well. Even points that they fail to mention has to be documented, and they have to send everything over there. Remember, people that say your international court wouldn't know about the proceedings. No, you're wrong. Jamaica is one of the most favored. Even though right now we never can call us a territory of England because we have gained somewhat of an independence, they say, but we still have a governor general residing locally in our mansion owned by the Queen. So we don't know. But we are definitely one of the most favored countries, and no doubt members who are fascinated by law have been paying attention to all law cases, all court proceedings that have been happening internationally. Whether it be the R. Kelly case, different scenario, they must say him for sing for female. Our Vybz Kartel, which is clear injustice, where they must say this artist need to be released for female. People have been paying good attention to what going on. Locally, we don't know how you could have missed it. At the trial of the century, not of the month, not of the year, not of the decade. The trial of the century. We have never seen a trial like this. An appeal of the century as well. We have never ever seen an appeal like this either. At this point in time, all we can do is pray for the best. At this point too, we notice this. There are words from the naysayers who wish to break the momentum of the camp. I would say this: cease and desist while you are still able to cease and desist. Because look at it from this point of view. The biggest movement and group in dancehall history will not be broken by statements from some local people. What the man say, oh, sheep nation? I don't agree with that. We are lions. I want to lose opinion or lose sleep based upon the opinion of sheep. No, lions don't lose sleep based upon the opinion of sheep. Go sleep and walk, go sleep and jump up. We want to jump up and do what we need to do. So at this point in time, we don't want nobody to tell us, say, oh, so we cannot stop talking about that, or we cannot talk about something else. We talk about it because it is of importance to us and the people who it is of importance to. So we have to do it for we and them. If you wish not to see, wish not to join the discussion, wish not to be a part of the movement, then you are entirely free to do so. At this point in time, our numbers are uncountable. If you walk off right now, we would not notice. If you decide to stop supporting the movement right now, we would not notice. But it's the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that, so we can discuss the comment. We can discuss the reasoning via the comment section after all that is taking place. Share icon is in close proximity to as well. You can tell a friend, tell them sister, and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, and yes, join the discussion as I said before. Be respectful though. and mindful of the guidelines. But yeah, even if you want them people that want to tell me, say, watch, you know, yo, Lord, the matter alone, talk to me in the comment section. You know what I mean? Depending upon our mood, maybe we'll answer you and tell you why we choose to discuss the matter. And then we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Maybe. You know the support viewers and subscribers, and for those who don't, yeah man, now move setting spam, and we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love and prosper until we reason again.